Good afternoon, class. My name is Anthony Portoise, and I'll be giving you a presentation on my Capstone portfolio, coupling adaptive leadership and management. The purpose of this presentation is to reflect the broad scope of experiences gained and realized throughout this academic and professional venture. The methods described here show a combination of direct and indirect principles utilized throughout the program to facilitate this learning. The findings of this capstone will denote a detailed analysis of the philosophy, achievements, and evidence of this learning, and the overall learning gained and applied throughout the program. The ultimate goal was to use substantive scholarly works to enrich my efforts toward progressive and worthy environmental management and policy programs that would lead to the implementation and management of plans utilizing various spatial scales to achieve an overall global environment for the better. The two pictures depicted on this slide here on the left show what adaptive leadership is. In the center is the leader itself, and what they try to exemplify in this concept of adaptive leadership is clarity, a culture that exercises an open door policy where open minds are encouraged throughout the leadership process, which will drive change, and then overall this connects the individuals on multiple different levels, both indirect and direct. On the right is what adaptive management looks like. So for an environmental adaptive management plan, you design the plan, you implement the plan, you monitor, you evaluate, you continue to plan, and then you adapt to make those changes necessary in order to produce a global environment for the better. So the lessons learned throughout this capstone portfolio contributed to a lot of things. To enhance the learning, after completing this program, I plan to pursue a professional doctorate in either management or some facet of biological sciences. The skills gained throughout this program will be used to complete notable certifications such as Project Management Professional in order to foster growth in all-encompassing management sectors of the environment. To connect this learning, in order to connect it on a deeper level, we must continue to work the concepts and knowledge gained into the professional lives of myself and others, whether that be with major environmental projects tasked by the Department of Defense or minor projects that aid the community and its surroundings. I must be able to apply and effectively connect the knowledge and skills gained during this program to become a value-added asset to whoever is in need of that service. To become a true steward of the environment and the professions contained within, relevant stakeholders and myself must be able to connect past and successful concepts to future problem sets. To apply this learning gained throughout the program will only be as difficult as I deem fit. Having the willingness to achieve and uphold the standards of stewardship in the environment will be imperative for lasting success for generations to come. And thank you.